Hey friends, if you want to know on how we can fix where the Microsoft Photos application is not working or not opening on your Windows 11, then please watch this video and we are going to fix that. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type here Photos. We cannot open this, but what we'll have to do is you just need to make a right click and then select App Settings. Scroll down and you'll find Repair button. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. The app's data won't be affected, and you have to click on Repair. Now, once you click on Repair, go ahead and check if the Photos application is opening. But still, if it isn't, click on Reset, and then reset once again. And I suggest that once you click on reset, just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. Next method is we also need to update the application in the Microsoft Store. So in the Windows search bar, type here Store. Best Match, click on that. On the left pane, click on Downloads. Then you will have here Get Updates and Update All. Click on this Get Updates and also click on this Update All. Now this will update all the applications that you have installed from the Microsoft Store, including the Microsoft Photos application. So once this is done, just simply close this window. Then we also need to make sure that our Windows 11 is updated too. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, click on Windows Update. Now, in this window for Windows Update, you can check for updates and this will download and install all updates. Now, if you have this option Restart Now, then you have to click on Restart Now so that the updates will be fully downloaded and installed into your Windows. So as you can see, there's a pending restart right here. So you just have to click on Restart Now. Now, after you have done that and still the issue keeps on persisting, then finally we are going to uninstall the application. So again, search for Photos in the Windows search bar. Right click and then select App Settings. Scroll down and you'll find Uninstall button. Click on that and then select Uninstall. Now once done, close this window and then search for Store again. Best Match, click on that. Then here in the Microsoft Store search bar, type here Photos and then hit Enter. And you'll find the first option, Microsoft Photos. Click on that. Then here, click on this Get button. Now this is preparing to download the application. So we just need to wait for this. And now this is installing the application. Now once done, just simply close this window and then search for Photos in the Windows search bar. Best Match, double click. And this time, it will open for you. So, I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.